Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to prepare short videos or professional videos. Right? So it's very easy. So that is we have Invideo web application. Invideo. For this, no need to install any software. Online only we can prepare the videos. Right? So trial version and paid versions are also available. Now we can prepare our own videos by using trial versions. So how it works? So you can select a template. Many templates are available. Okay, you have to select a templates and you can customize. You can edit your text, pictures, musics. Okay, and you can just export and upload. That's it. So simply we can prepare this in video. Okay. Now let's see how to create account in video. So it's a very easy, simple step. Okay. For that you have to go to sign up. Okay, you have to type your full name, email ID, password, and mobile number, and you can click create account. Okay, the account will be opened. Now, the next step, I have already created account, so just go with login. Okay, yes. So I am selecting my Gmail ID to log into InVideo application. Yes, this application is opening now. So this is the InVideo application. Here you can find many templates. Okay, so pre-made templates, text to video, blank canvas, so many things are available. Now we have to select based on our need. Okay, uh, for example, you can also select this screen range, wide range, square, and vertical. Okay, you can select this type of screen mode also. And here I wish to select video of intro. Okay, for example, if you want to prepare any intro video, so I have selected this template for my video. So you can just place over the cursor here, so it will be played, so you can see. Okay, so this is a template, okay, where you can edit. Okay, for demonstration purpose I am going to select this template for my demonstration. Yes, so this is the video of this particular template. Okay. Okay. So what we have to do is, so we have to click use this template. Okay. So once you click this use this template, so you will find a page like, so there will be a loading page. So after that, so you can get a workplace page. Okay. So in this in video web application online, so you can edit videos, pictures. Okay, for example, this is the first slides. No, you can find the bottom. At the bottom you can find the slide by slide. Okay, so this is the first slide of this video. So we can, now you have to edit. For example, I am going to edit here, edit this word. Okay, and just hello everyone. In this template. Okay, and next I click the next template. So this template comes under paid. Okay, uh, suppose if you want to any insert any picture, so you have to pay. Suppose if you want to remove the watermark, you have to pay it. Otherwise you can keep this. Okay, right. And suppose if you want to upload any picture, right? Okay, upload. Okay, upload. Click upload. Yes, I have already selected these pictures from my laptop. Okay, for example, I let me select this picture, so the picture will be coming here. Okay, so you can select the next. Yes, for example, if you click this slide, okay, if you click this slide, so you can get this slide for editing. Okay, how to prepare short videos in few minutes. Okay, just I have edited this text, okay, in this template, and I'm going for the next template. Okay, so I have already uploaded this photo in a logo option. Okay, so it will be uploaded here, and you can also select the last slide. Okay, so follow me on. Okay, so I have entered. So this text will be different. Okay, now I have entered this KT Techno Teach, my YouTube channel. Okay, so this way you can create your own video by using pictures, text, with the use of these available templates. So you can easily prepare this one. Now let's have a preview of this video. Yes, yes. I just, if you want to play, so you can scroll in front of this first slide. Okay. Now let me play. See here, the video is playing now. Yes. So simply we can prepare these beautiful videos for your professional or short videos or intro video for your YouTube or any other teaching purpose. Okay. So in slides also you can change any color. Okay, so you can go to video option, image option, music option, text option. You can insert your own logo. Okay, so you can insert and you can edit whatever you want. So finally, you have to preview this video, and you can go to the right top corner, no? Download and share. You just click here. Yes, 720. So you can find 720 pixel default. Okay, just you can click here. Okay, so I have already used this version. Okay, so now I'm going for export with watermark. Okay, if it is free you can download. Okay, now I'm going to click this export with watermark. Okay, now I am going to export this video. Okay, so after exporting this video you can find the video, so it will be downloading now. Yes, so after this download you can have this video. Now it shows 2%. So after few minutes the video will be downloaded. Now you can download the video, and you can view the video, right? So hope this video will be very useful for all teachers and students. Thank you.